This is the grand finale. We, you, in fact, all of us are waiting eagerly for the final face-off between the top three. The stage is all set. For the grand finale, Bertolli presents Femme Foodies riding on Suzuki Let's.
Our first contestant comes from a small town called Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. She's an air hostess with private charters, but she makes the perfect parfaits even in blazing temperatures. Ladies and gentlemen, Akanksha Khatri.
I like to cook and make everyone happy, whomsoever I hang out with. All this time, I have learned a lot. On each level, I have used different technique which I would have never thought about. A caramelized banana chocolate walnut loaf, a bread, and then a strawberry chocolate parfait.
Akanksha, मिर्जापुर में ये सब कैसे सीख गई हैं?
नहीं सीखा मिर्जापुर में पढ़ते-पढ़ते रेसिपीज देखते-देखते ट्राई करते-करते.
Today, you made everybody from Mirzapur proud. Akanksha, you're moving directly to round 3 of the finals, straight to the grand finale.
Thank you.
In her own words, she didn't imagine seeing herself on the grand finale podium. She even missed her flight for the show, but made it at the last minute and was the first one to be eliminated. She does not eat non-vegetarian food, has never cooked non-vegetarian before this show. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Megha Joshi.
I've grown up in South Africa. I've lived there all my life. I am a vegetarian. I know we're going to have to work with seafood and non-veg and stuff, and I think that's going to be my downfall.
Megha, sorry to say, but you're burnt.
So my journey has ended here. The experience was great. I've learned a lot. My journey doesn't stop here. Life still goes on.
This is the comeback week.
I did feel that I didn't get to show what I'm good at. This is my chance, so I have to make it happen. It's go big or go home.
What we do know is that you're staying in this competition.
Couple of really good flavors that I'm getting. Number one, the churros. You could just pack me a box of it and I'll be happy to take that home.
Megha, when I think of you, I think of 2 words, guts and glory.
I think of 3.
I did.
Guts, glory, and Gujarat.
Gujarat.
Now our third and final finalist follows only her instincts when she's cooking. Someone who can be outstandingly brilliant on a good day and a tad inconsistent on her bad day. Ladies and gentlemen, the genius, Juhi Jamba.
There are 2 things that I'm extremely passionate about. One is football, the other is food. What an incredible journey it has been. From week 1 of not knowing what to do at the trucks, picking up oysters and shuckling them, to the grand finale.
Oh! Wow!
Woo! Come on! Squeeze. Hurry up.
Juhi, your version of Lal Mas is going on my menu tomorrow. You're coasting.
But it's been so beautiful to be a part of this journey. Never thought that I could pull it through till the end, but I did. And I'm extremely proud and thankful for what Femme Foodies has done for me.
Good luck, Julie.
Good luck for the grand finale.
All the best.
So, ladies and gentlemen, here we have it. The 3 finalists on Femme Foodies 2017. Let's make this a big one. We started our journey 6 weeks ago in the beautiful state of Goa by doing something that was uniquely Goan. And it's only befitting that at the end of the 6 weeks, when we're completing the full circle, we come back to the beautiful Goa. Today's theme is once again Goa.
We were told that the theme was Goa again, which followed by the dreadful word however.
However, we do not want to disappoint you, and hence we have a little bit of a complication. But before we kickstart things and the heat is on, have a drink, chill, go for it. Great.
It didn't feel like the finale for a minute. We were sipping on our coconut waters, and Chef Ranveer said, "Don't you find something odd?" And I didn't. I was enjoying my coconut water.
Where is the complication then?
The ribbon?
In the straw.
All 3 of us had different color ribbons on each of our straws. So obviously that meant something.
So, ladies, the color of the ribbons means a cuisine. Any guesses?
It did get me a little uncomfortable. Really looking forward to know what's the meaning of the color that I got.
The suspense was still on.
Since I have no guesses from you ladies, allow me to reveal the 3 cuisines. Italian, Thai, and Spanish. All these 3 cuisines are very popular and versatile. They travel and adapt to local cuisines exceptionally well.
All right, so here's the deal. The base of your dish should be the cuisine that has chosen you, and it should reflect the beautiful flavors of Goa.
I was a bit confident with Italian and Thai, and I was hoping that I get any one of these.
You've drawn the straws, and we have Spanish for orange.
I was not happy because Spanish is something which I am not very familiar with, and I was just hoping that I don't get it, but then that's what I got, so I have to work with it.
Thai for red.
And I got Thai. Not looking forward to it at all. Not comfortable with the flavors. I just know a few things that go into the green curry paste. That's all I know. I really need to think about this very hard as to what dish would I like to make today to make it through this grand finale.
And no marks for guessing this time. Yes, Italian for you, Megha.
Ladies, you have an open pantry for the entire time of task today. Our best wishes are for all 3 of you.
Break down your technique for each element and allot the right amount of time to each. Make notes of how one thing flows into the other. Don't panic, but plan.
May the best lady win.
Ladies, stay calm, but cook hot.
You have 60 minutes to cook something that's international but has a Goan flavor to it. It's time to call time one last time on Femme Foodies 2017. Your time starts